Hello traders, welcome back to Magic Indicator Strategies. If you watch this video, feel completely relieved in your search for how to create your trading strategy, because in this video we will see 3 super indicators that are 10 times better than the MACD, and so you can make your strategy of trading as you wish and find your perfect strategy. With these indicators you will be able to detect divergences, convergences that the MACD normally offers you, but you will also be able to have more exact entries and clearer movements of the market. You will be able to clearly see when the price is oversold or overbought with these magical indicators. So let's see what these indicators are. Let's start with Wave Trend Momentum Oscillator. Okay, so we add this indicator to our chart by typing WTMO in the indicators section and selecting the one from the creator Verifit. This is an excellent indicator that will help us see the oscillations of the market by showing us when the price is overbought and when the price is oversold. We see that in its configuration we can make many modifications until we find the one we need for our perfect strategy. This indicator can be used in several ways. One way is waiting for the crossing of these yellow and light blue moving averages. Another way is waiting for the moving averages to cross the zero line from overbought to oversold and vice versa. Or another way is for them to cross these red lines or green of the bands. When comparing it with MACD, we see that the Wave Trend Momentum Oscillator reacts faster to the market and gives us more accurate signals, as we see in these charts. Still, let's not forget that the indicator cannot give multiple false inputs, so we can slow down this indicator in its configuration. You go into the indicator settings and can change the inputs as you like to suit your strategy. For these reasons, I consider that this indicator is very professional and can give you great returns in your trading strategy. I encourage you to try it and see the results. Let's look at the second indicator, which is called Normalized Smooth MACD. So we add it to our candlestick chart. This indicator is from Dreadblitz. Surely you have seen this indicator before, but now I am going to explain much better how you can use it in your trading. This indicator has the zero line, the MACD line, and the signal line. But I personally believe that the signal line is not necessary, because seeing the MACD line we can have good signals and understand the market. So we turned off the signal line. Now let's see how this indicator works. So every time the MACD line changes from green to red or from red to green, we understand that there is a bearish or bullish change in the market respectively. You can use this default indicator to get signals, as we see in these examples. But still remember that this indicator in its default settings can give you several false signals, so you can improve it by changing its periods. One way to improve the indicator is to change the smoothed period from 5 to 30 and the normalization period from 20 to 30. As you can see, our indicator looks more stable for trading in the market, as we see in these examples. Definitely this indicator will have losing trades. It is impossible to have a 100% success rate in trading. But I assure you that it is an excellent indicator to create your profitable strategy. Comparing it to the MACD, we see that this indicator generates much less false entries. And it also gives us better prices when making a trade. Still, it is up to you if you take it as your main or secondary indicator. Obviously you can configure it as you wish and adapt it to your preferences. So I highly recommend you try this indicator and you can create your profitable strategy. Before continuing, I would like to make some adjustments to the indicator so that it looks much better. For this we disable EMA on MACD line and make signal and MACD line more visible. So, once we have the indicator ready, we see that with this indicator you can also have clear divergences and convergences for your strategy. But the main reason why this indicator is in the first place is because we eliminate the lag that the MACD normally gives us in its moving average crossover. This indicator reacts faster to market movements unlike the MACD. We see that this zero lag MACD indicator, the crossover occurs much earlier than a normal crossover on the MACD. That is why we can anticipate the market before other traders. When comparing this indicator with the MACD, we see that there is a very clear difference between both indicators. Just look at the difference between the entry prices of both indicators. The yellow horizontal line represents the zero lag crossing and the white horizontal line represents the MACD crossing. We see that zero lag gives us better prices than MACD. Obviously, I do not recommend using this indicator on its own, as it could give false signals and lose trades. So I will give you a strategy that you can use with this indicator, and it will help you better understand how you could apply it in your trading strategy. So here is an example of a strategy suitable for this indicator. We have added the whole suite and modified these periods from 55 to 100 and from 1 to 2. And we also add the volume oscillator and leave it as default. So the strategy is clear. We will only take long trades when the whole suite is green. We have a green dot on our zero lag MACD and we have sufficient volume on our volume indicator. Here we see some examples. Okay, here we see another example, but it does not meet the conditions. In this case there is not enough volume, so we skip this trade. To take short trades we have to follow these rules. We see that the whole suite is red, a purple dot appears in the zero lag and we have enough volume, so it is a confirmed signal. In the same way as in bullish trades, if we do not have all the conditions confirmed, we will not open the trade. As you can see, this is just an example, but you are already capable of creating your own profitable strategy. I hope this video has been useful to you.